Imagine a gold rush, but instead of picks and shovels, it's lines of code and computer chips. This modern-day rush is driven by the relentless pursuit of innovation and technological advancement. That's what the world of artificial intelligence feels like right now. It's a bustling frontier where the stakes are high and the rewards can be monumental. Fortunes are being made, but not everyone is finding gold. For every success story, there are countless others who face disappointment and setbacks. Some are striking it rich, while others are struggling to keep up. The disparity between winners and losers is stark, highlighting the unpredictable nature of this industry. AI is changing the way we live and work. From automating mundane tasks to revolutionizing entire industries, its impact is profound and far-reaching. It's the technology behind self-driving cars, robots that can perform surgery, and even the suggestions you get on your favorite streaming service. These advancements are just the tip of the iceberg. But who is actually making money from all this innovation? The landscape is complex, with various players vying for a piece of the pie. The answer is not so simple. It's a mix of familiar tech giants and smaller, more specialized companies. Each has its own strategy and approach to harnessing the power of AI. It's a mix of familiar tech giants and smaller, more specialized companies. Some are selling the tools to build AI, while others are using AI to improve their own products and services. Some are selling the tools to build AI, while others are using AI to improve their own products and services. The competition is fierce and the landscape is ever evolving. One thing is for sure, the AI gold rush is only just beginning. As technology continues to advance, the opportunities and challenges will only grow, shaping the future in ways we can only begin to imagine. Let's talk about the big players first. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are investing billions of dollars in AI research and development. They're using AI to power their search engines, cloud services, and even their grocery stores. Then there's NVIDIA, a company that makes the powerful computer chips needed to run complex AI algorithms. Their chips are like the engines of the AI revolution, and they're in high demand. These tech giants have a head start in the AI race. They have the resources, the talent, and the data to develop and deploy AI at scale. But that doesn't mean they're the only ones winning. Building AI is not cheap. It requires massive amounts of data, powerful computers, and a team of highly skilled engineers. This means that many smaller companies are struggling to compete. Even for larger companies, the return on investment for AI can be slow. It takes time to train AI models, and there's always the risk that they won't perform as expected. Some companies are pouring money into AI research without seeing any immediate profits. The cost of AI is a major barrier to entry for many businesses. This raises concerns about whether the benefits of AI will be shared equally, or if a few powerful companies will control the future of this technology. From chips to code building the AI machine. To understand how AI makes money, you need to understand the different parts of the AI value chain. This chain is a complex ecosystem where each component plays a crucial role in the overall functionality and profitability of AI technologies. It all starts with hardware. The physical components are the foundation upon which AI systems are built. Companies like NVIDIA make the chips that power AI systems. These chips are the brains of AI, enabling the processing of vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. These chips are designed to handle the complex calculations required for AI algorithms. Next comes the software, which is equally important. This includes the operating systems, programming languages, and AI frameworks that developers use to build AI applications. Without robust software, the hardware would be useless. Companies like Google and Microsoft are major players in this space. They provide the tools and platforms that make AI development accessible and scalable. Finally, there's the data. AI algorithms need massive amounts of data to learn and improve. This data is the fuel that powers AI, enabling it to make accurate predictions and decisions. This data can come from a variety of sources, including sensors, social media, and even customer transactions. The more data available, the better the AI can perform. Each part of the AI value chain presents opportunities for companies to make money. From hardware manufacturers to software developers and data providers, each segment has its own revenue streams. Some companies focus on one specific area, while others try to control multiple parts of the chain. Understanding this value chain is key to grasping how AI technology is monetized and how it will continue to evolve. AI in action, transforming industries, one algorithm at a time. Now let's look at some real-world examples of how AI is being used to make money and revolutionize various sectors. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop new drugs, and even predict patient outcomes with remarkable accuracy. It also helps in personalizing treatment plans, ensuring that patients receive the most effective therapies tailored to their unique needs. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and analyze vast amounts of data to make informed decisions. It also provides personalized investment advice, helping individuals and businesses maximize their financial potential. In manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production lines, improve quality control, and reduce waste. It also aids in designing new products, making the development process faster and more efficient. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for profit. Businesses are leveraging AI to drive growth, innovate, and stay competitive in an ever-evolving market. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge. The future holds endless possibilities, and AI will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the world of tomorrow.